Pero naka-ready na yan eh. Pero minsan, halimbawa, hindi pa happy sa edit ng music video o minsan nagkakaroon ng mga hindi inaasahan. Katulad na nakaraan, we have to move dahil mahirap mag-promote na merong typhoon. Di ba yung mga ganun ng mga hindi may iwasan ng mga nangyayari. Di ba? Pero rest assured na buo na yung album, nagro-roll out na lang tayo. And maraming surprises in store. Maganda pa yung mga music videos na lalabas.
Excited na rin yung mga POG.
Yes, and may vinyl yan, may CD yan, may cassette tapes yan.
May maasahan ko ba tayo ng music video with Julie Pascual daw?
Nako, sa mga nag-e-expect, ang masasabi ko lang, hindi kayo mabibigo.
Wow! So Jonathan, ayun na, excited kami sa Regina5 na Miss Regine next year.
Yes.
And then there comes Jeneline Mercado as well. I'm a Jeneline fan, so I'm looking forward for that.
Jeneline Mercado album, malapit ng matapos. We're down to the last song. So it's a full album that we're recording. Isang song na lang and then tapos na. Expect at least one single by the end of the year or opening of next year. Pero nagmi-mix na lang din kami and recording just the last song.
So, can you tell us ilang tracks po ito?
7 tracks? 7 tracks.
And then,
Originals.
And then there, nakaroon din ng vinyl printing.
Yung kay Jeneline, pag-uusapan pa namin kung anong formats, pero definitely across all digital platforms. Pero titingnan natin kung anong klaseng physical format ang pwede nating ilabas for Jeneline. Kasi syempre, mga fans would love to have physical copies of that.
I tweeted also that. And then for Beanie, of course, they won as well. And they're going to celebrate their 3 days concert on the radio.
Yes. Maraming in store for Beanie. Napakaganda ng concert nila, pinaghahandaan. And talagang masasabi ko lang na yung production binigay lahat dito. It's a very expensive production. Yung concert talaga mapaproud talaga yung mga fans ng Beanie. Yung mga Blooms, pag napanood nyo, kasi talagang binigay namin. Binigay talaga lahat sa Beanie kung ano yung deserve nila dun sa pagkaka-mount sa buong production ng Grand Beanieverse. So sinabing Grand Beanieverse, grand talaga. So abangan nyo yun.
Looking forward to it. Speaking of, I'm sorry, okay ka na po ba? Because I saw your post.
Nagpapagaling. Okay na naman yung mga pinapagaling na lang yung sugat.
Because we need you in this industry. Grabe din talaga yung mga pinoproduce mo songs, tumatatak talaga. What can you say about PMPC?
Congratulations sa PMPC. It's the 16th Star Awards for Music and tuloy-tuloy lang yung ginagawa nila talagang pagsuporta sa industriya and saludo ako sa inyo.
Jonathan, sa dami ng trophies mo. Saan mo nilalagay?
May cabinet ako. So, siksikan na lang sila doon. Pero abangan ninyo yung musical play ko, ha? Next year yun.
I was about to ask you that.
It's a new musical featuring the music of yours truly sa Resorts World siya. Next year, sa April. So, abangan nyo yan.
April. Kung may magka-casting pala, magka-audition.
Nagpa-final cast na lang, pero maririnig nyo may mga songs dyan na ginawa ko for Eric, for Angeline, for Beanie, na included dun sa musical play. So, abangan nyo.
Like, around how many songs are we talking about?
Nagtatahi kami ng mga more or less 40 songs. Kasi yung iba full song, iba medley. Depende sa pagkakatahi ng story. Okay.
So Jonathan, one more question. You work with SB19, di ba?
Yes, Kabataan Pinoy.
What can you say about working with them?
Sobrang, iba rin kasi talaga yung dedication sa craft ng SB19. Every time nakakatrabaho ko sa kanila. O sila, kitang-kita ko yung passion nila, binubuwas nila talaga lahat. And malayo pa mararating nila. Marami pa sila mako-contribute sa industry. And individually, sobrang talented nila. Pag pinagsama-sama mo, grabe. Diba? Powerhouse talaga.
Jonathan, pwede posible